Yeah, hi, I'm Alexander Leshinsky. I'm the co-founder and managing director of G&L. G&L is a systems integrator and managed service provider located in Cologne, Germany, with offices in Berlin, Munich, and San Francisco. We mostly operate in the media space, so our typical customers are broadcasters and media-centric customers. But we also have a lot of governmental entities like parliaments from cities or regions, or even the European Parliament is one of our biggest recent customers, where we had a very important live streaming setup for them that we developed on their behalf. For the European Parliament, we implemented a whole live streaming architecture where we have multiple services on-prem on locations that the European Parliament operates, but also on cloud locations that we use from cloud partners that we work with, and on-prem infrastructure that we operate ourselves. Our whole architecture is composable, so everything is containerized. We run on Kubernetes, and we have a lot of communication between these different remote locations, on-prem and in the cloud. And it was a difficult problem for our team to have a secure communication between all of these remote clusters. And so when we were looking for a solution, we found Avesha and KubeSlice, and our team quickly saw that it could solve the issues that we had at hand. So we installed Avesha in a very short time with very great support of their team, their technical team. And we used it to solve some very specific problems. So the first was we needed a very secure multi-cluster communication. So from cluster A to B, from on-prem to cloud and vice versa, we needed a secure channel to communicate between these two parts. That's the first part. The second part is that we wanted to have the same namespace in the Kubernetes cluster so that the application does not really need to know where it runs, because it finds the same environment in each location. So those were the two most important technical requirements that we had, and that Avesha KubeSlice could solve. And by implementing it with the support of the Avesha technical team, we saw that it was a smooth experience to install it, and it was very nice because we have a simplification with Avesha KubeSlice for defining and configuring the network and the intercluster communication. So it was easy to configure routing tables and VPN-like communication and certificates through a Kubernetes cluster operator. That was very helpful to the team. And everything was easily manageable via YAML files, so we could keep our GitOps workflow, so everything was smoothly and versionized. That was very helpful. And on top of that automation and command line integrations, there is a nice dashboard with a UI for clear status visualization, so that we can easily see what's going on and how everything is running. So that in total made it a no-brainer to use KubeSlice here, and we now have promoted it into the go-to tool for intercluster communication in all our Kubernetes environments.